Number one, we human beings, like some other mammals, like dogs, cats, or many birds, their survival entirely depend on others' care, particularly mother's care. So we human beings, our very life starts that way. So as soon as we're born, our first sort of deep experience and happy experience is mother take care and provide us her milk. So at that time, the child, no sort of idea who is that person, but biological factor, tremendous sort of trust. And when mother is taking care, there's a tremendous sort of feeling of joyfulness. So that's the way our life starts. And those people who received maximum affection, maximum care from our parent, particularly our mother, the whole life, their emotion, in deep insight, much stable, much happier, more secure than those people who, at early period of their childhood, lack of affection. One time in Poland, and many years ago, I think my first visit, there one sort of orphanage, they describe these children are unwanted children. So really terrible. Of course, because of foster parents are there. A foster parent, eventually, I think, can become real parent. Then, maybe different. Otherwise, it's very difficult, and particularly those child who, at an early age, you see experience of abuse, like that. I think whole their rest of life, some problems. And the physical sort of health, also some connection. So in that connection, I always was happy to mention my own case. My parent, illiterate, uneducated, just a villager, farmer, but very, very compassionate. Particularly my mother. Father sometimes, quite often, lose temper. But my mother, really, almost we never saw on her face some kind of negative face. We never saw. And her sort of compassionate attitude, not only towards her own children, but other children also, particularly those children of beggar. She very much sort of showing concern, love. Or sometimes I also, you see, share my own sort of stupid experience. You know, since my mother, so much love to me, as usual, very young sort of child, carrying by mother on shoulder. So then, I usually used to hold two ears of my mother. I want to go this side. At this side, go like that. If mother didn't listen, then I cry. And my leg pumping. I think I really was acting like a naughty boy. or stupid, spoiled child. So, I believe that experience, I think, really imprint in my mind deeply. So perhaps I think my own sort of amount of compassion. Of course, later, Buddhist sort of practice also, you see, immense sort of help. But the very seed of that come from my mother. Then, because emotional level, no matter how difficult it is, but in deep inside, some kind of open heart, compassionate heart. That brings inner strength, less fear. That also very important for body element. So now this is number one reason. Everybody come from our mother. All have same seed of compassion. No question. Nobody can argue that.